Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing another Cobra kit car. We're very familiar with these. I bet we've had 15 this year already, maybe 100 over the course of the years. And that's because they're just so popular. They're iconic. In the 60s, we all know and love them. And this is a great entry-level car where you don't have to spend $80,000 to enjoy the open cockpit experience, the loud exhaust, the thrill of the horsepower. So this is it. Factory 5 Mark II. So these have a tubular frame. We typically use a Mustang suspension and driveline. This one's no different. This one's been upgraded to 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got a solid rear axle, 8.8, 5-lug conversion. A lot of these are actually 4-lug. The Mark 1s and 2s are 4 lugs. See a little mark right there that might buff out. The paint on this car has been used and enjoyed. I'd probably say is an 8.5 out of 10, maybe a little better, but I'll be a little critical. It's nice and straight, has a great luster. And it's Viper red, and it's funny, we actually have a Viper here now, and the touch-up paint for both cars was identical. So the stripes are buried under the clear. See a battery jump off, reminiscent of race cars. Those are functional. The trunk here, we'll probably go to the engine first, but just happen to be back here. Aluminum cladding, which is covered in felt. Actually, let's do this. There's a pop open gas cap. A lot of these will have dual roll bars or one large roll bar. This one appeared correct with just one hoop. Do this tricky with one hand. To reveal the 302 small block. See, it does have power steering. External oil cooler there. Most of these do not have power steering, so that was nice to see. See aluminum heads there, AFR racing heads, Edelbrock intake and carburetor, Mallory style distributor. And there's your serial number. Manufactured in 2001. So that's when we saw a lot of these. The Mark II, you see those from really 99 to 06 even. Tremec 5-speed, which some of these had 4 speeds. See nice coilover suspension, front and rear. There's your master cylinder for your disc brakes. Electric cooling fan. Steering rack. It's got the vent wings and sun visors. The one thing about this car, there's not a lot of road rash on the front. Typically, the odometer is showing 10,000 miles. I believe it's probably been repainted since then. It's just too clean, really, for the miles, in my opinion. And actually, I see some signs of repaint in different areas, so clearly been redone. There's a beautiful sound of side pipes, and we'll get to that here in just a moment. Again, I would typically expect to see road rash in these areas, but it's nice and clean. Underneath, Kind of difficult because they are so low. This does have a vented gas cap. Simpson 5-point harnesses. This is actually another nice feature. A lot of times these don't have inner doors, so to have the little pockets there is nice. It's the emergency brake. So I see the speakers there, but I haven't found the radio yet. I'll have to take a look for that. We got sun tack, dolphin gauges in this seat. It's the first one I've ever seen is power. First one I've ever seen. So these have the recessed footwells. That's indicative of the Mark IIs. Let's do this and fire it up here. And again, just for transparency, a little touch up on the white right there. So underneath the fire extinguisher is the master power, so we'll turn that on.